Jai Hind everyone, I am Kerakanya Swami and today we are going to be covering the topic fixing a ship. कि क्या क्या चलता है in fixing of a ship, we are going to talk about that. Okay, so now we have fixing a ship. When it is not possible to obtain the ship's actual position by fixing, a position may be worked upon, based upon the most recent fix. तो अब अगर हमारे पास कोई भी चेंज आ जाता है डेटा में या फिर हमारा पोजीशन हमें ठीक से नहीं पता चल रही, तो जो मोस्ट रीसेंट फिक्स है यूजिंग दैट we can tell the position. Now first is dead reckoning. Now it is the expression dr used to describe the position that is obtained from the true course steered by the. तो अब dead reckoning क्या होता है? जब आपकी सारा मटेरियल खराब हो गया, all the material that you were using to navigate further, that is all it is not working properly, then you can use dead reckoning to describe the position कि तुम कहाँ हो using the true course steered by the ship and her speed through the water from no other factors. और कोई factors जब you cannot use, then use this technique. The dead reckoning position is represented by the symbol plus. So plus symbol से हम represent करते हैं. Then we have the estimated position कि हम probably अब तक इधर पहुंच चुके हैं. This position is most accurate that the navigator can obtain by calculations and estimation only. It is derived from the dead reckoning position and adjusted from the estimated effects. क्योंकि अब क्या होगा, जब आप अपने dead reckoning से आपने अपना बताया कि this is the true course that I steered from the ship, तो अब उसमें tides भी आएंगी, बहुत सारे अलग-अलग factors आएंगे, जैसे leeway का effect, tidal stream का effect, current का effect, surface drift का effect, तो उसको cut short करके we can tell the estimated position. The estimated position must always remain an approximate position. This is not your accurate position. That is only through actual measuring devices, because these four variables are difficult to determine exactly. Although experience helps long way to estimate the effect as accurately as possible. Again, आप ये जो चार हमने बात करी जिन चीजों की, surface drift, current, tidal stream, leeway, जितना ज़्यादा आप steer करोगे in the ship, उतना ज़्यादा easier you will be able to understand, उतना ज़्यादा more frequent you will become with what the factors are and what their effects are, so you will be able to estimate them accordingly. It is indicated by triangles and four-figure time. Okay, triangles and four-figure time. Four-figure time again numbers का four figures use करके. Following is the method to arrive at estimated position. इतना डिटेल में करने की जरूरत नहीं है, but just you should have an idea about it. Okay. We're talking about step 1. Plot the course steered and the speed. तो एक तो हमने देखा था कि dead reckoning position होती है कि you have to first of all plot the course steered and the speed through the water. कि क्या speed से you were running in the water, that, and then arrive at the dr, again dead reckoning position. Plot from the dead reckoning position the effect of leeway, tidal stream, current and surface drift, जो हमने चार यहाँ पे बात करी थी. What are they? We have leeway, we have the tidal drift, we have the current, and then we have the surface drift. Thus arriving at an estimated position. Arrow on tracks. Single arrow denotes course steered, water track and leeway vector. So single ये जो arrow है that represents course steered, water track, leeway vector. Then we have double arrow denotes ship's ground track. ठीक है, and triple arrow जो है that denotes the tidal stream, current, surface drift and drift. So basically ये वाले factors. So that is all we need to know. ज़्यादा डिटेल में करने की इसको जरूरत नहीं है, but that was all about fixing the ship. I hope you were able to understand this. This is used कब? This is used जब आपका navigation systems जो हैं they are not working properly. So ताकि आप you are not lost in the sea, you can use this traditional method of how it was used before also when navigation systems were not developed. So that's all for today. I hope you were able to understand it. Thank you and Jai Hind.